Good afternoon, Anthony Santangelo, your sales trainer and mentor for life, AutoMax recruiting and training. Here I am at Wholesale Auto Dealers in Boise, Idaho. I have the owner with me here, Richard Ordez. Richard, thank you so much again for being here. I really appreciate it. But before we get into the recruiting and training process, why don't we just talk about how did we meet? Why don't you tell Facebook Nation about that?
Well, with Chad Morgan and Michelle, Michelle had breast cancer, obviously, and I reached out. They were doing a 24-hour live-a-thon, and I was so intrigued. I was watching the whole thing, and then, Anthony had reached out there. We were getting ready to actually donate anyway, and Anthony came on and kind of put a challenge out there for any dealership that would step up to donate at least $1,000 to Michelle for her breast cancer awareness. And I thought, wow, what a great opportunity to get a trainer, and we were going to donate anyway. So, I didn't know if I told you that whole story, but we were going to donate, and then he'd throw that out there. It's a perfect opportunity, no-brainer for me. Anthony was going to come out. We were going to donate a great cause for Michelle for her breast cancer, and so it was a win-win for everybody.
Yeah, sometimes Facebook Nation, the auto family goes past auto things, where you reach out to those in need. Michelle Shree is battling breast cancer. She has a surgery due this July 29th, which happens to be the 1-year anniversary of our 24-hour Facebook Live-a-thon that was orchestrated by Lisa Copeland, who's the president of our tribe, as I like to call her. And Richard, after I finished my Facebook Live-a-thon, breast cancer was very important to me as I lost my mom and my mom's mom to breast cancer. Richard messaged me after I finished up my emotional Facebook Live-a-thon and said, I donated $1,000, Michelle, I want your 1 day of free training. So I came out here, I flew out Christmas Day to Boise, and then the day after Christmas, we did a small little training, yourself and your 3 salespeople that we did. And I didn't do it with any thought of any reward, but here it is full circle where you needed some salespeople, needed some recruiting, and a general manager, and we're taking care of that. So let's kind of move now on to the recruiting side. How was things this week? The recruiting, the applicants, and how are things?
Had a great turnout. We had a lot of applicants coming in. I thought it was a great turnout. I met all the applicants today, and we're bringing on 5 new salespeople, and you did absolutely awesome. Still waiting for that general manager position. So other than that, man, I was excited about it, and you brought some great applicants to the table.
Absolutely. We're going to fill that GM position. I already got a call in. We're getting things working there. Some applicants, and we're going to definitely fill that because we fill all needs for the store from Porter to the president. And of course, this is the president here of the organization. Richard, thank you so much again, my friend. I really appreciate it. You're a good guy. God bless you, yourself, your family, to Anna, and your whole entire staff here, including Teresa, who's holding the camera. It's a great organization. I know the new hire recruits are in wonderful hands because you are the true definition of what it means to go all in.